Good morning, Angel Treasures. It's 10:10 in the morning. I woke up at 10. I'm boiling my water to make coffee. Try to change my mug instead of the one with the pink and the bow. And I'm gonna make myself toast with butter. I'm going to use the sugar thing. I gotta put sugar in it to hold my phone like a tripod. Whatever you have to hold your phone, that's what I use when I didn't have no tripod. The tripod I use now is my my brother Jose gave it to me. Thank you to my brother Jose. And yeah, I'm not focused. When I wake up, it's like there's a parquet. So I was gonna go to Big Parkway, but I kept checking Google Maps, and I don't know why it's not showing. Because I don't know when it was. It was in the 2000s. I don't know what year. The last time I went with my mom, and I don't know what. It could have been the B16. Went there. Only the the guy. We even asked the guy, let us know where to get off. He didn't tell us nothing. We got off somewhere. I just don't remember if we went like halfway where it was or something. I don't know. But then it just shows B6, and that bus. We don't have it near us. It's B1 or B16. It didn't. It didn't show. It shows the Google Maps. It goes to Big Parker, but I said forget it. I'm not taking. I'm not going that way, and then I don't make it there. I go the wrong way. Um, so I'm going to Bensonhurst area. That's where I'm going. Part of Brooklyn. I went once. They have Target there, Five Below, and I think Dollar Tree. I'm hoping they have good stuff in Dollar Tree. I'm gonna Valentine, Easter, and birthday hunting, and just window shopping. I'm gonna show you like a birthday haul, or I make myself a birthday basket. And if I'm in the mood, I'll do a Valentine. I don't know if that's what it's called, basket. And I'll put it all the way 4 and then burn. So I just hope it doesn't stay light either. I don't like it when it's light. Oh, water boiling. And thank you for showing love to my texts. I wish you would give more love to my videos. That way it gives me motivation to go out and record more videos. Me going to different stores to show you decorations and other stuff. You know, whatever's out there. You know, because mostly I used to do was more toys and slimes, and now I'm doing these decorations of different holidays. It's fun. I love it. And this is old thing to hold the animal crackers. My mom way back bought it. I don't know, it was the Dollar Tree or Family Dollar before they made it newer, like bigger. I don't know what you call it. I call it renovation. I haven't seen this in a long while. I was almost not gonna go because when my sleeping mat, like I start over again, like to take it, even though it's been I don't know how many days, but some days it's like really strong, and I almost didn't want to wake up. I want to keep sleeping, but I pushed myself because tomorrow I heard it's gonna rain and snow, and I don't know how it's gonna be bad. How bad it's gonna be, so I need to push myself to go out. Just by smelling it wakes me up and helps me kind of conquer the world. Doesn't it happen to you? It doesn't work. I don't know. I got magic, I guess. I'm just weird. Sometimes I don't make sense of what I'm talking about, but it makes sense to me in my crazy brain. So whatever. I don't know. When I take pictures, my video. When I take pictures on my iPhone 13, it makes it live photos, like short videos, and I like now taking pictures and recording whatever I'm eating. Those are cool food diaries, I guess. And sometimes it's not that so fancy. That's okay. I don't mind showing the poor side and a little cute side or fancy or whatever. You don't like it, don't look at it. Don't look at my videos, don't like them, don't even follow me, and just scroll. That's it. It's 10:43, showing you my outfit. Oh, almost gonna forget. It's 11:28 in the morning. I'm waiting for the S79 that goes to Beirut, Brooklyn. After that, the B63 bus that goes to 60th Street, and then I take the B9. I take the B9? Yeah, that goes to Bensonhurst, 18th Avenue. So I wanted to come on here and mention something that happened. Older woman, I don't know what nationality. She was white, I don't know. Anyway, she had a shopping cart and she was standing. And she was okay for a while, but then I guess the shopping cart kept getting her nerves, like being in people's way would fall. And she started slamming a lot of times, she had like anger management. And then she finally sat down and she still slamming the shopping cart, angry. And then she noticed I was looking at her. And she did she had like an angry face, look at me. And she put the two hands, with the finger, acting like it was a weird, you know how guys do it, with the finger thing, the two hands. I don't know, I'm not going to show it. You should know what it is. But why would she do that to me? I don't know. So I got here to
Bensonhurst area. I'm at 61st Street and 18th Avenue. Hopefully they don't say anything of me not recording here. This is across the street from Dollar Tree. Well, over here is like a school, and then Dollar Tree over there. Kind of bare over here.
It's this fucking, it's not special, but the blank is, I guess, not always have the blank. Yeah, it's the blank. Yeah, I think it's a Yale.
Tiramisu?
Yeah, it could be a Yale type. It's only for the outside lock. There's no inside locks here. You might, I don't know. You know? See if he's got it. You know what his store is?
Hi. Hi.
What's up, buddy? All right, same old shit, man. What's going on?
I didn't know who was gonna
Regular
curse.
rolls up? Oh, there's only one there. Coming up.
Oh, sorry. They have the rainbow cookies. Oh my god. I buy them in Associated, but I haven't seen it lately. They haven't sold it.
We're in.
Been selling it.
Shit.
Oh my god.
See you?
I didn't think it was gonna be cursing, but that's life, you know? Wow, everything looks good. Yummy, yummy.
Yeah. All right. Keep yourself in shape, boss.
And I'm looking for a Jewish cookie. It's almond cookie that my teacher, Miss Wilkes, she's Jewish, and Mr. Figularo, both my teachers, I don't know if they made it or that somebody gave it to them, and they would let us taste the cookie. It tasted so good. Second time coming to this store. I think it was last year or 2 years ago. The other way. How long I haven't come back? Okay. Let's say the store closed. Oh man, it's embarrassing. Wow. Well, never mind. I was gonna say he's going to another store, but it wasn't. It was the other Dollar Tree in Rosebank. They have everything, you know, like Valentine's and stuff. I'm gonna skip that for now. I'm gonna see if they have like makeup and the toys, if they had anything cute or different. I usually section near the cashiers and stuff. We don't have this. You believe they have this here? I miss unboxing rainbow corns. Oh man, that is cool. And they had, but the last, recently that I went to Dollar Tree, they didn't have this, the unboxing toys. They took them away. I don't know why. Or is that they didn't have any? Anything else? These the ones I found over there. Creamsicle. Cotton candy. Vanilla. Coconut. Chocolate. Mint. I think that's it. Yeah, and coconut. I don't know if I said that. Oh, they have a lot here, man. I wish they had it near my house. Unless they have it in the one in Forest Avenue, I'm not sure. And the other one is West Shore Plaza Mall. I have these hand sanitizer case. I have one of these. And these sanitizer sprays. This one is green apple. Oh, shows the picture. Watermelon. Lemon. Yeah. These. Check every nook and cranny around here. Just little corners. I don't see much of nothing. There's the gummies. Cherry gummies. Gummy sharks. Rainbow sour belt bites. To can't really check. Too many people too close. Over here they have sticker activity surprise. And these that I showed you. Rose Bank. Lines. Got these Disney doorables. They had it before, Rosebank. Like I said, I didn't find nothing of the unboxing toys. Yeah, not much. I'm gonna check the makeup next, I guess. Did I finish everything? Yeah. Okay, makeup and toys. I gotta check. I can't wait. I can't wait too long. Somebody's in the way, but too bad. Finally here in Bensonhurst, they put this annoying thing. And I found out it's for people, you know, who are stealing stuff. So I could stop them or something. I don't know how. It's a different story. They put a sensor, then yeah. So finally, they have like a cute whatever you call it, collection. Disney Alice in Wonderland. It doesn't say, you know, like the cents, but they have this one. How cute. I love things like this with makeup. I earn money, I would buy it. I would buy all of it. And this one. So far, lucky finds, I call them. Because I don't have that near my house. I used to. What else do they have? I think I showed you in Rosebank. I could get it out. I think I found in Rosebank in Dollar Tree these that they had two sets. What else they have? Excuse me. Thank you. Show you from far away what they have because I'm getting on my nerves. Cute. It's like a struggle, really, a struggle. No. Falling into the thing. Thank God it could hold me because I'm like going in there. Ooh, so annoying. I have these, so it's different. Hold on. Nail clippers. I hate this glass thing. It's just getting on my nerve. It makes me not want to show stuff because it's just other people that I see on TikTok don't have this. Only one person, Sandra Perez, she found one Dollar Tree like it. So annoying. I don't like recording this way. It's just so annoying. These are cute. Colors. Go check the Valentine decorations. Oh, and the toys. Did I pass it? I don't remember. Okay. No, not over here. Man. Found these cute, what are they? Whoa. Oh, the dough. Thought it was slime. Dough. It's different here because they have like the school supplies, things for arts and crafts, and then over here the books, coloring books, word puzzles, and stuff like that. But not the toys. This one, I got money, I want to buy these. Oh my god, look at this one. But this is cool, mystery or scary. Wow. I have more stuff in this Dollar Tree than Staten Island. Oh. Look at this one. This one's fatter than... Oh no, never mind. That I keep getting 2 books. the old Marty, which is me, way back, all the way to my 40s. I would not imagine myself going out. That's one thing. Going out a couple of places, especially far away from where I live in Staten Island, recording with a lot of people because of shopping and whatever. Nope, I'd never imagine myself. Sometimes that's why I cry and get emotional, because I was expecting just to be a mom and that's it, nothing else. Nothing else. I have these Nancy Drews. I like these, the storybooks. And prepare myself to be grandma. Why not? I'm gonna be recording videos of what I would love to do with my grandkids. Where are the toys? Where? I have this cute Easter stuff over here. And more over here. They got more over here in Bensonhurst than in Staten Island. And I got to find the peeps. Last year I was trying to find, I only found was, I think, in Michael's Arts and Craft. This inflatable. They have these different colored ones. And then these are Peeps LED bubble wand. They're cute. So I could take it out. Okay. So I have all these colors. And this is what it looked like. Play bubbles. Oh my god, my son loved bubbles. I will always be buying him different kind of bubbles so he can play with. And this, I did the basket and rose bank. The little heads. And then these. Oh. Well, you see what it looks like when it lights up. How cute. $7. That is cute. Wow. Inflatable, well, I know the bubbles of $7. Inflatables, I don't see the price. So, I don't know. And they have Easter grass. Tablecloth. These bunnies. Showed it before. Two different kind of tablecloths. These are cute. I hope these aren't, you know, jumbo emoji. Oh, it's emoji eggs. Okay. Tell you what, you know what? They look like it. And they have these color your own decor. Easter dart shooter. There's people, but they're more quiet here than Staten Island. They make noise. These people are just quiet. These are cute. Sesame Street eggs. And they have these, which is monster eggs. These are cool. That would have been cool for my son when he was a little boy. Little goodies in it. Wow, that is cute. Okay, over here. Oh, let me show the Easter decorations already here. I have this spring, Easter, and these I like these kind of decorations. The marbled or speckled egg garlands they have. I don't like the glitter one. And they have snack cups. Oops. These are cute to put snacks. And this string light with rabbits. Cute. Three-tier serving tray. Almost slipping. I have this one with the eggs. All of them, the eggs. These are cute string lights. They have cute string lights here. Wow. I have these. I don't know if it's the same color, but bunny pom-pom garland. Then they have the wood egg beaded garland. These are cute. I think I have little eggs, like dangle. I could use. Oh, I could use it for the tree. They're great for Easter also. I don't have the chicks. These are cute. These are cute. Sequin eggs. I like that. Garland. These are activity placemats. These are cute for the kids. That is cute. They never had this when my son was little. That would have been cute for him. Especially going places, especially the appointments. My son was so hyper, and he kind of embarrassed me a little because since he didn't like a lot of people, like traveling, take the ferry boat, things like that. He would make a scene, and it was annoying. A lot of people weren't, at that time, my son was the only one of kid taking the ferry. Everybody was adults. And now that my son is older, I see family with kids. And I said, I wish I had that. That way, I wouldn't feel embarrassed. So this Dollar Tree in Bensonhurst is almost like West Shore Plaza Mall. The toys are always in the end, at the back of Dollar Tree. These are cute. Some stuff, they got more stuff than where I live. Like the board games. I don't remember seeing no board games where I live. These other ones, I don't know if they're like travel board games or what. I don't know, but they're cool. What else? Wrestler action figures. I haven't seen, I don't think. And then this thing. This is the cutest thing. What is this? $7. A Barbie sticky style. These are so cute. It's almost like color forms, or what's the other thing that for the cartoons, whatever you put the clothes, what are they called? Comment down below, you know what I'm talking about. So they have that one and this one. I think there's 3 kinds. These are so cute. Hold on. Some are $5, some are $3, the toys. And this one's $7. That's crazy. It's cute, but $7? I gotta put all this back. Waste time. I'm gonna leave it there until I finish recording. I'm not wasting time. I'm gonna see if anything they have of unboxing toys or blind bags. On these board games, Monopoly they have, even these Bluey puzzles, Candyland they have, Hi-Ho, Cheerio. They have Yahtzee and Trouble game. Oh my God, great memories of Trouble game. I would visit my grandma. I would play with my siblings. My Uncle Lewis had the Trouble game, and then I ended up getting it for my son, but I don't know if something broke or something. I don't know if he still has it or he don't have it anymore. They have Twister, Chutes and Ladders. And you have the putties. I haven't seen this in a while. I used to, well, have maybe one or two, maybe. The way back in 2019, I bought it. Like I said, they have wrestlers here. Oh, this other guy. Oh. This one's the same or? Yep, different. They even have Play-Doh. Even yo-yos. And these paddle balls. 3-pack figures for Legos. Still got my a few Lego, a little bit, like 2 or 3 that I haven't put together. I bought it way back in Dollar Tree of Highland Boulevard Plaza, and I never put it together. That's funny. Poop flat. Ooh, I don't think I have her. I bought like a little bit of Barbie or maybe one. I don't know. Found. Okay, the same one. Color chain monster trucks. Rainbow coins. I'm buying different kind of slime with little beads and stuff. So instead of a Valentine basket, I'm gonna be doing a boy and a girl Easter basket. Why not start now, right? If they have stuff. So let's start the boy first. I thought it was cool. Game controller. Shaped eggs. How cool. Chocolatey covered marshmallow bunnies. The girl got the same. Not much for guys. I got these carrot shaped erasers. Heart shaped Krabby Patty sour. I have to do it this way. Could have put this one first. Valentine cards. Boy and girl got the same candy powder. And double crisp chocolate. Girl. cute. Seashell shaped eggs. How cute they are, pastel. Adorbs. Candyland. Comes with lollipops and card kit. Ooh, Sour Patch Kids, bunnies. Gotta put it that way. Candy powder. Strawberry milkshake flavored chocolate bunny. Strawberry milkshake. Well, chocolate, I guess. Chocolate covered marshmallow bunnies. Don't know where to put it. And this headband. How cute. Tie-dye. I have to fix it a little better, and now I'm going to take a picture. And it becomes a video with my iPhone 13. I forgot to mention shoulders for glasses. Glitter bunny glasses.